Good morning, children. Welcome back to your SST class. I am Runu Gupta, your SST teacher, and we were studying about our Earth in chapter number 2. So, you already now know in which planet do you live, okay? In which planet do you live? What is the shape of that planet and the features we have seen, okay? Now you can do one activity. You can take a lump of clay, okay, clay dough, and then roll it gently with your hands, shaping it like a ball. You can make the shape of a ball with the clay and set the ball aside to dry. Okay, then take a thin wooden stick or a toothpick and pass it exactly through the center of the ball. You can take a toothpick and place it inside this ball, okay. Since this dough of clay is very soft, you can place the toothpick inside. Okay. Now compare it with the globe. Like this, you can make globe. Okay. So this is the rough model of the globe. You can represent it like a Earth, like our planet Earth. Okay. The stick represents the axis around which the Earth spins. Okay. This is the axis around which the Earth will move. Okay. The two opposite side points on the surface of the clay ball through which the stick passes represent the poles of the Earth. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. Okay. So now we have already studied that Earth is spherical in shape. We know the North Pole, the South Pole. We know about Copernicus, who proved that the Sun is the center of the universe. And Ferdinand Magellan, he was an explorer and he proved that the Earth is round. We have already seen about the globe, which is the model of the Earth. Okay, and Earth is also known as what? Watery planet. Okay, because there is more water than land on Earth, so it is also called watery planet. And the Earth, in Earth, life exists because there is suitable temperature, presence of soil and water, and presence of atmosphere. You already know about the globe. It is the model of the Earth. You can see the globe here. We already know about the map. It is the picture of the Earth or a part of the Earth on a flat surface. You know about the continents. These are the 7 continents. You already know about the oceans. Okay, there are 5 oceans. We have already seen on the map all the continents. Okay, all the continents we have seen. Oceans we have seen. Okay, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Asia. These are the continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia. These are what? These are continents and these are the oceans. We have already seen these. Now let us come to directions. Okay. You already know that there are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. These directions help us to locate places. If you stand facing a map, the top of the map is north, the bottom is south, the left is west and the right is east. Okay. If you stand like this facing towards this map, then this is the north side, this is south, this is east and this is west. Okay. Always the right side is east, left side is west, top is north and the bottom is south. This is the direction of the map when you stand towards the map, facing the map. Okay. The compass rose made on the map shows you the north and its needle always points to the north. What is this compass rose? Compass rose tells us the direction of the map. Okay, it shows us the direction of the map and its needle always points to the north. So compass, if you keep it here, its needle will always point towards the north. Okay, if it will point towards the north, obviously you will know that this direction, towards the right side it will be east, left side will be west, and bottom will be south. If you know which side north is, then you will understand that which side will be east, which side will be west, and which side will be south. Okay, so few things we have missed. Let us see. It takes 8 and 1/4 minute for the sunlight to reach the earth. Okay, it takes 8 and 1/4 minute for the sunlight to reach the earth. And here Atlantic Ocean is the saltiest of all the oceans. Okay, Atlantic Ocean is the saltiest of all the oceans. Next, let us see movement of the earth. Okay, earth is not stationary, it keeps on moving, it is not stationary. Okay, it shows two types of movement, rotation and revolution. Now, have you seen a top moving? You play with top, isn't it? Many of you play with this top. Have you seen how it is rotates like this? Okay, so the earth also spins like this, how the top spins. Okay, the earth spins like a top on its axis. You can see this point, how it is spinning. An axis is an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth. Axis is what? It is imaginary line. Okay, it is passing through the center of the earth. So in the activity we did in the beginning, the toothpick or the thin stick represented the axis. We have seen in the beginning, I told you to make a model of the earth with the dough of clay. So there we have put the toothpick in the middle. So this toothpick represents the axis. Okay, and this movement of the earth around itself on its axis is called rotation. When the earth moves around itself like this, it keeps on moving like this. Okay, you can see the scale how it is moving. Earth is also moving like this. Okay, this is called rotation. It takes 24 hours or 1 day for the earth to rotate itself once in its axis. So it takes full 24 hours for the earth to rotate on itself, coming to its position from which it had started. Coming to that position, it takes 24 hours. Okay. Rotation causes day and night. The part of the earth that faces the sun gets light and has day, and the part of the day that does not face the sun is dark and night. As you already know that when our earth it moves in an orbit. Okay, so when the places of the earth is towards the sunlight, those places will have day, and the part of the earth that is not towards the sunlight, that part of the day is dark and has night. Okay, that part of the earth. So there is another activity given. Try this activity to understand the concept of the occurrence of day and night. Take a big ball. Okay, you take a big ball and suppose that it is the earth. Hold it in front of a table lamp in a dark room. You make the room dark, you switch off the light, you can take a torch also. You place the ball in front of that light and you can see that the side of the ball under the light has day while the other side has night. Why? Because the light does not reach the back portion of the ball. So that means what? Our earth is also in the same way the portion of the earth in which the sunlight does not reach, that portion of the earth has night, and the places where the sunlight reach is the day. Now let us move to revolution. The earth goes around the sun along a fixed path called orbit. Now this is the sun. Okay, earth moves on itself like this. It keeps on spinning. It keeps on spinning means rotating. Along with that, it will move around the sun also. A full circle of the sun it will make. Suppose it is starting from here. So it will move and then it will reach here again. And this is called what? This movement of the earth is called revolution. And along the fixed path it will move. Okay. So this movement of the earth is called revolution, and the earth takes 365 and 1/4 days or 1 year to revolve around the sun. So this earth, it will take time to reach here, 365 and 1/4 day. That means 1 year to revolve around the sun. So different seasons occur due to the revolution of the earth. We see summer season, winter season, autumn season, rainy season. These seasons occur due to the revolution of the earth. Okay. So this change of seasons it occurs due to the revolution of the earth around the sun. Okay. So here we end our chapter. In the next video we will discuss the question answers. Okay. Till then you learn the definitions, you read the chapter once again, try to understand it. Okay. So till then, bye and thank you children.